Hey, it's Dr. Jostley. I'm a clinical and translational scientist, and today I want to talk to you about the science of waiting. It's all about in what you perceive to be true next. If you perceive that what comes next is a perceived threat or danger, the amygdala part of your brain is going to fire. This is your fight, flight, or freeze response of your brain, and your prefrontal cortex will also fire. This is the decision making part of your brain. Both of these are going to be working overtime in order to protect you from this perceived threat and produce this feeling of anticipated anxiety. If you perceive that what comes next is meant to build you and not to tear you down, it's meant to be the next step in your momentum, then you're going to view this phase as the greatest season ever and leverage it to your advantage. Scientists spend a lot of time pausing. Albert Einstein, great example, would spend a lot of time pausing, thinking about things, connecting the dots. And what he was actually doing was potential energy. So in physics, you have kinetic energy, which is movement, momentum. You have potential energy, which is stored energy. And you can't have one without the other. The stored energy is the pause, it's the tension, it's the thinking, it's what determines how you move, what's determined the strength in which you move. That's the pause. It's when you think, you self reflect, you connect the dots, you renew, you ask questions, you meet new people. This season is the greatest season of your life. And the world will tell you to prioritize busyness, moving from one thing to the next. But actually, those who are set apart from others are the ones who know when to pause and don't rush the pause, but use it to their advantage so that when it's time to execute, they execute with precision. So use this time to your advantage. Don't anticipate the threat or the danger, but rather reshape it to this is just another step in your journey.